Do you think ultimately this is a good example of what my thought was from the very beginning, that when you have these sort of policies like we saw come out of the Ukraine situation where you had Russia banned from the SWIFT system, you had situations emerge where the US overplayed its hand, in my opinion, to say, well, hang on, we actually control the whole system, we decide how the rules are. From the ground up, people are not going to be happy with that. And it might have taken time. I think a lot of people were expecting BRICS to just come in sweeping overnight and adopt a gold standard, and it was going to change, the whole world was going to change, and now we're going to be it didn't happen like that, but it's happening in a way right now from the ground up in things like this, because ultimately when you remonetize silver in that population, you have taken that little bit of control back. Is that something that needs to be considered or part of the conversation here, that ultimately people just won't be happy with that US-dominated system if they ultimately, at a country level, don't lose their sovereignty as part of it?
Yeah, absolutely. At the end of the day, the way I look at it is that more than being about the BRICS system versus the US system, or which side is winning, it really comes down to human-created systems versus God-given assets